So first what I did was I took and cut a piece of cardboard and then measured to 9.5 inches and folded it in half so I have room left over for my light bulbs and batteries. Then I took a piece of tin foil and covered this part of it and taped it down on the other side. This particular piece of cardboard has a little nook out of it, but that doesn't really matter. So now I have my light bulbs and my battery holder. Now because I wanted more I didn't want to use just one light bulb, so I have multiple light bulbs here on a strand. I'm going to put my batteries in.
She's a good sister.
And close my thing. Oops, there we go. And put it to the side. Now I cut my pieces of wire and stripped them so that I can put them on my 2 contacts. I'm going to take a piece of tape and tape the one piece of wire.
Her name's Anna.
And put it down here. And I'm going to tape my light bulbs on. Let's spread them out a bit. And